Hey spiders! So today I'm going to be showing you my car collection. Now I'm a big fan of cars, not like real cars, like Hot Wheels cars and stuff. And this guy Cody said to do this yoga challenge, and sorry I can't do it, and I just commented and I said no. And then FunVids said, okay, sorry. So FunVids, if you're gonna watch this video, on me and my sister's video that we did together, comment a challenge you want me to do. There's like 30 or 40% chance I'll do it, okay? But that yoga challenge, I don't think so. C guy. He starts with a C. Anyways. Killing me. So we have this much and this much. There's probably more still laying in my toy box, but I can't see any, but there probably might be. I don't organize them. It takes too long to organize, so I'm just gonna let's just we'll go to best to worst. Like we'll go coolest to least cool. So as you guys can see, I have a bunch of cars. Now I know this isn't a Minecraft video or a Saints video or a Flip video, it's just me showing things. I have this truck, so this is what it can do. It can move up and things like that, and that's not all it can do. This can open, you can put some cars here, and this can even move myself a bit forward. Sorry if you cannot see it, hang on. Check. Because I record on my tablet. There we go. That's most. I think that's enough. Alright, so we'll start off with my two best cars, and you know why these two are my favorite cars. Alright, you know why these two. Because they have sucker wheels. And I absolutely love suckers, so these are my two favorite cars. I got this one first, orange at the bottom, and then I got this one red and gray. I think the blue one's nicer, just because it has like more details. And yeah, some of the cars came with this truck, some of them didn't, like this one didn't come with it. Alright, I normally put the royal ones over here. And you can also put some on top of the thing. What's next for the best? Alright, no, we don't need to open this yet because we're going to put some here. Alright. Two next best has to be this one. That's really good. And then this one. I'm not sure if it's a glow in the dark. I'm pretty sure it's not. So yeah, pretty nice. Alright. Next up. this. We'll do 2 cars at a time so it doesn't get too boring. Yeah, these. Yeah. So we got this one. This is my fastest car I have. Looks fast as well, and it is. So we're gonna put this up here. I got this car. I love cars like this. Just very detailed and very nice. And this one's pretty fast as well. And sorry my voice is a bit like weird. I just woke up. And anyways, alright, this one. So this one's really nice. I'm not sure how to explain it. Like, has flames at the side, which is really cool. Yeah. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really nice. I got this. I'm just gonna show you guys that. Alright. Now I like this. I like cars with white interiors. Really nice. This one has gold wheels and silver wheels at the back. It has like a very good detail in those things. I'm not an engineer. Like, I'm going to be an engineer when I'm older, but I'm not yet. I'm only in 4th grade. Yeah. Alright, to me, I know this is weird, but it kind of looks like a Ferrari, or like a Lambo, not something like this. It's very nice. And if that's a Lambo or Ferrari, I'm dumb. Let's check out. I love these types of cars, and I love these types of cars. Alright, so this is a Mustang. No clue, but pretty nice. I wish I had a GTR. Some of them don't fit, so I should put them up there. I got these number 10 Hot Wheels. Alright, next row. So we got this silver car and this orange car. The orange one has gold wheels and this one has red wheels. But let's see, what should I do? I might leave all the broken ones out, because this one really broken. Because the video is taking much longer than I thought it would take. We'll leave that kind of scratched, but still usable. I don't know if it even has been going on for that long. If it hasn't, again, I'm an idiot. Alright. Alright. So we have these 2 yellow cars. I think this one's better, but this one's still pretty nice. We have these this one's better. And then this one's like last. Oh, let's go anyways. Speaking of that. Yeah, that's all. We got this reddish car, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're new, and if you like the video, make sure to like the video. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.